Welcome to the Chiefs Arena as I react to the CAF Confederations Cup group stages draw made about a week ago. I said here and told you we will have a good season in the CAF Confederations. I told you we are going to have a good run, because South African teams usually find it easier, in the CAF Confederations Cup, but we've been drawn in the group of death. This is what we call a group of death. Al Masry from Egypt, Zamalek, a giant from Egypt, and Zesco, a giant from Zambia. So it's going to be a very, very tough group. There's no team I look at and say, you know what, here we're passing, here we're collecting 3 points. It's going to be difficult. Every game is going to be difficult, brother. So we need to be on our A game. I think if we want to stand a chance, of making it out of the group, 2 teams are making it out of the group straight to the knockout stages. I think if we want to stand a chance, we must do well in our home games. I think if we win our home games, we stand a really, really good chance, because it's going to be very, very difficult in the away games. In this CAF, whether it's the CAF Confederations or the CAF Champions League, the most difficult thing we are going to face is playing away. That's a very, very difficult task. Egypt is a very, very difficult place to go to. Their atmosphere, the mind games, it's going to be very difficult. And I look at our squad, we are a team that's not experienced in those competitions. The last time we took part in a CAF tournament was back in 2021. So it's been a long time, and our squad has changed a lot. I look at our team; it's a young team. Most of our players are not experienced. So it's going to be a difficult role for them to play. Look at a 19-year-old Mfundo Vilakazi, in a packed stadium in Egypt. The lasers, fireworks, the ball boys playing mind games, the players playing mind games, so it's going to be a really, really difficult task. I might have dropped a stinker, mate. I might have dropped a stinker, because I said we will reach the semi-finals. And if you look at the group and we are being realistic, we are the underdogs in that group. We are the underdogs. But we are definitely not going to lose all our games. Those are tough teams, but we are definitely not going to lose all our games. So if we win our home games, go away, play for a draw, then we make it out of the group. But it's easier said than done. Kaizer Chiefs in a group of death. Smash a like. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm out.